Oh no, Catastrophe! The school's Cookie Monster robot is totally broken. It's subtracting all the cookies wrong and things are getting messy. We need some heroes. Can two amazing students, Ava and Hannah, fix it with their subtraction superpowers? We've got to help them. Are you ready? Let's go!
So, meet our heroes, Ava and Hannah. Now their school has this super cool cookie robot that gives out treats. But today, it's gone completely haywire. It's making huge subtraction mistakes and nobody's getting the right number of cookies. They've got to figure out what's wrong and fix it, fast.
But wait, who is this popping in to help? It's Kitty Helper, the super smart, super cute teacher's assistant. And Kitty Helper says, "Meow, don't worry. To fix the robot, you just need to learn a really cool math trick. It's called regrouping. You know, some grown-ups call it borrowing. Mission accepted."
Okay, so Kitty Helper says the very first step is understanding something called place value. It's kind of like a house for numbers. See, every three-digit number has three rooms: a hundreds room, a tens room, and a ones room. So if you look at the number 365, it's really just three hundreds, six tens, and five ones all living together in one big number house.
Yeah, so place value is all about where a number lives. Its address tells you how much it's worth. And this is so important, because when you subtract, you have to line up the numbers perfectly. It's like stacking Legos. You got to put the hundreds right on top of the hundreds, tens on tens, and ones on ones.
So, Ava decides to try one of the robot's broken problems, 373 minus 180. She starts with the ones place. 3 minus 0, well, that's 3. Easy peasy. But then she gets to the tens place. 7 minus 8? Wait a minute. If you only have 7 cookies, you can't give 8 away, right? Uh-oh. This is where the real magic is about to happen.
And here comes Kitty Helper to explain. It's time to regroup. Now, regrouping is just a big fancy word for trading. That's it. If you don't have enough in one spot, you just go next door to the bigger neighbor and borrow. It's kind of like trading a $10 bill for 10 $1 bills. It's the same amount of money, right? You just have more pieces to work with.
Let's try it out with a new problem. 741 minus 448. Okay, look at the ones column. We have 1 minus 8. We can't do that. So let's go next door to the tens place and knock, knock, knock. We borrow 110. Whoosh! That 110 rod breaks apart into 10 little ones cubes. And now we have plenty of ones to subtract from.
Okay, watch the magic unfold. That 1 in the ones place becomes an 11. Now it's 11 minus 8. It's 3. Perfect. Now for the tens. Remember, we borrowed ones, so we only have 3 tens left. And we can't do 3 minus 4. So what do? We go next door again. We borrow from the hundreds. Our 3 tens becomes 13 tens. 13 minus 4 is 9. And last, the hundreds. We have 6 left, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So our final answer is 293. We did it!
You know, there are actually 5 magic steps you can use every single time. You ready for the secret? Step 1. Line them up. Get those place values right. 2. Start with the ones. 3. Move on to the tens. 4. Finish with the hundreds. And 5. This is the super secret, most important step of all. Always check your work.
Okay, it's Hannah's turn to try. She's got 861 minus 673. Let's watch. Yep, she has to borrow for the ones place, so 11 minus 3 is 8. Then she has to borrow for the tens place, 15 minus 7 is 8. And finally, 7 minus 6 is 1. Her answer is 188. Wow, go Hannah!
But hold on. Is she actually right? It's time for magic step number 5. Let's check the work. So Ava takes the answer, 188, and adds it back to the number they subtracted, 673. And what does it equal? 861. That's the exact number we started with on top. That means the answer is 100% correct. Ding!
Here is the one simple rule you always need to remember. Just look at the column you're working on. If the top number is smaller than the bottom number, you must go next door and borrow. But if the top number is bigger, you're good to go. Just subtract like normal. See? It's that easy.
All right, team, are you ready? It's time to use our new subtraction superpowers to finally fix that cookie robot. To reboot its system, Ava and Hannah have to solve 3 final problems. Let's cheer them on and help them out. Okay, here's problem 1. 463 minus 357.
They look at the ones. They have to borrow. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. And 4 minus 3 is 1. The first code is 106. Awesome. 1 down, 2 to go.
Now for problem 2. 723 minus 584. This is a tricky one. You have to regroup twice. But Ava is on it. She solves it super fast. And the answer is 139. Amazing. We're so close.
This is it, the final problem to fix the robot. 567 minus 290. Hannah's got this one. Okay, the ones are easy. 7 minus 0 is 7. She borrows for the tens. 16 minus 9 is 7. And the hundreds, 4 minus 2 is 2. The final answer is 277.
They did it. That was the final reboot code. The robot lights up, its eyes start to glow, and it says, "Thank you, Cookie Systems Online." Yes, Ava and Hannah did it. Their subtraction superpowers saved the day and the cookies. Let's quickly remember those 5 magic steps one last time, okay? 1, line up. 2, start with the ones. 3, then the tens. 4, then the hundreds. And step 5, the most important one, check your work. You've totally got this.
And don't forget Kitty Helper's super easy trick to remember what to do. Just think, when you can't subtract, go next door and borrow 10. That's all regrouping is, just a simple trade.
You know what this means? Ava and Hannah are subtraction superstars. And so are you. After all this, you can subtract big numbers, no problem. Just keep practicing and you'll become an amazing math wizard.
All right, who's ready for a super fast practice round to test your superpowers? Let's do it. First question, what is 435 minus 218? Take a second. Did you get 217? If you did, that's awesome. You remembered to borrow in the ones place. Great job.
Okay, next question. This one isn't about numbers. What does regrouping really truly mean? Did you say trading? That's exactly right. It's just swapping one bigger piece for 10 smaller pieces.
All right, here comes a tough one. An expert level problem. 642 minus 357. This one has a double regroup. Can you solve it? The answer is 285. Wow, if you got that, you are getting so fast at this.
And for our last and maybe the most important question of all, how do you check your answer to make sure you're right? You use its opposite power, addition. You just add your answer back to the number you subtracted. If it matches the number on top, you know for sure you are a true subtraction superstar. You are all amazing. Keep up the great work.